Welcome back. We're continuing the news. The full impact of Wednesday's heavy flooding in Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth is now unfolding, with residents counting their losses and motorists facing new dangers on the roads. Two major connecting routes in the town have been left severely damaged, with large potholes now posing a serious risk. Yannick Williams has this TVJ News follow-up.
The aftermath of Wednesday's heavy flooding has carved a destructive path through Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth, leaving behind more than just the waterlogged homes and the debris-filled streets. Massive craters have opened up across the roadway, some stretching across entire lanes now filled with dark, stagnant flood waters. Councillor Christopher Williams of the Santa Cruz Division says it has left roads shattered.
In the Santa Cruz Division, we would have seen major damages to the road infrastructure as a result of Hurricane Melissa. You can just imagine the already weakened infrastructure we have now been exposed to 3 days of heavy rainfall and flooding. Roadways in the town of Santa Cruz are badly damaged. Institution Drive, Market Street, Retirement Road, Church Road, Clinic Road, Lovers Lane.
For many motorists, navigating these roads has become a nerve-wracking experience. Each turn, each puddle is a gamble. As traffic is now at a crawl, drivers zigzag across lanes trying to avoid the worst of the damage, creating added congestion and increasing the risk of accidents.
Bad man, you have to say start up, man. You whole of my yard mash up, man. I never reached home until about 8 o'clock last night. No, sir, you can't control us, man. You want my proper drainage system still? Yeah, you want a proper drainage system. Yeah, and then the road sort out and now, so people can get to traverse. Good.
Councillor Williams is urging motorists not to risk personal injury by attempting to navigate the affected roads.
The Honorable Prime Minister spoke about the drainage situation in the town of Santa Cruz during his 2023-2024 budget presentation. So I know the government has Santa Cruz on its agenda. We have a dedicated Minister of Works and Minister of Local Government who I know will do everything possible to ease the misery we're all facing in Santa Cruz.
He notes that the National Works Agency and other stakeholders have already conducted assessments and surveys in the Santa Cruz area.
Now I am waiting on the NAA so we can go ahead with our plans so we can have the necessary dialogue with the business operators and other stakeholders in and around Santa Cruz so everybody can be informed as to what the approach will be.
As the town awaits what's next, drivers are being urged to proceed with extreme caution as Santa Cruz continues to recover from yet another severe flooding. Yannick Williams, TVJ News.